everybody, this is Karen Martz. Alright guys, we've got the Charleston Harbor coming up. Hey Freedom, here's the big bridge. Hello. Hi Freedom. Alright guys, so Freedom and I are on our way to Exotic Vet Care. Hi Freedom. Hello. Here's this giant bridge. Hello. And there's water out there. I don't know how well you can see it. Hi Freedom. Now, we did visit Charleston a couple years ago. I know this is terrible. We still have our South Carolina aquarium videos to release. And that was the time the eclipse, the full lunar eclipse. Hey Freedom. So we still have that going on. Freedom's excited. We talked to our neighbor Connie on the way up. And also my brother Steven. And Freedom's yelling, oh my God. And he's laughing and just having a ball. Okay, so we're going... there you go, there's the map. Hi, Freedom! Hi, Freedom! Freedom, can you say hi? Hello! Now, the brave people can run on this bridge, they can walk, they got a little trail. I have a fear of heights. I have walked up to the Cross-On Expressway on Hilton Head, and I'm just telling you, 10 minutes just going up slightly on a hill, I thought I was gonna die. It's just awful. I did walk and, you know, like touch the toll booth or whatever years ago. But then on the way back, if a bike rider was heading toward me, I literally would just stop and crouch down because I thought, what if the wind blows me away? Hey, Freedom. All right, Freedom, do you want to say hi? Hello, pretty parrot. Okay, we're going to Exotic Vet Care. Have a great day.